How's it going, guys? You're here because you've been stressed out trying to run a business online. You either have no mentorship or you just don't have a plan. You want to have multiple streams of income. You don't just want to have all your eggs in one basket, but you just don't know what to do. So for the next 90 days, I'm going to be helping you guys do just that. You're going to be in the field with me, and I'm going to be showing you all I know, the softwares I use, and you're going to be able to ask me any question. This is for a person who's looking for a side hustle and for a person who already is in a side hustle and they want to scale their side hustle. So here's the 90-day plan. So you have the leads, and we're going to be getting this from numerous websites and social medias. You're going to funnel them into a small offer, anywhere from like $11 a month, or even if it's one time, it doesn't matter. Then you're going to funnel them to another low ticket, anywhere from $15 to $60 a month, preferably, so you can have some money coming in every single month. And then when we start showing them how to market that in the video form, we want to get them in a system, like high level beacons and stuff like that, something that they can send emails out, because this works so much more if you can send it in an automated way where emails are going out, because you don't want to just get people in a whole bunch of streams of income at one time. You want to work them into multiple streams. So next, we want to get them into a higher product, anywhere from 150 to 350 a month, and then, a high-end product. And these are usually just one-time products like courses and stuff like that. And then I didn't put it on here, but then you're going to start building, if you aren't already, building your own products, communities, and now you're that all-time high marketer. So to come back to here a little bit, if you want to work with me right now, I don't have a coaching program. This is not going to be a coaching program. I'm just going to put you in my system. So my small offer is a domain service for $11 a month. It's going to give you a www.ws. It stands out more. I love it. And I always use it on my videos. I have .coms as well, but this service pays you. So you're going to get entered into your first monthly paying residual business model. So that's going to be the first offer that gets you into the community right away. 7-day free trial, but you must stay active and at least this front end offer to get the free coaching. Next, you're going to get an email from my health and wellness business. So you might like this health and wellness business. You might already have a health and wellness business, so you don't have to get this if you're already in health and wellness. But what you're going to end up doing is, if you have a health and wellness business that has a start point of $15 to $60 packages, you're going to insert yours here. So this is going to come out via email. You're going to get this right after you opt in and purchase this. Since this is just a domain service, I offer this the first day. This is our personal care line, soaps, deodorants, all natural essential oils. And you can start anywhere from $15 to $60. This is going to actually be in the email, and I have a Loom video explaining how this works. And then whether it's same day or this could be weeks down the line, I want to get you into a system, because you're going to need emails for this to work smooth. Automated emails. I like high level. It's a little more expensive. Let me actually write it down. It's about $107 a month. And the only other fee is I pay about $15 a month. They have like an account where when you send emails out, text messages and stuff, it charges you a few cents. So I pay about $15 a month, and really less than that, like $9 a month. And that's because I have phone numbers and stuff on my account. So really like $20 a month, $20, and it's probably going to last you for a long time until your business, has thousands and thousands and thousands of people that you're sending out stuff to. So these two fees. But what I love about this is I create all my websites, digital products, anything is in here. So I don't need a beacons. I don't need a stand store. Everything is in here. And there's a 14-day free trial if you just want to test it out, see if you can afford it. That's going to be the next offer, because this runs everything. This is when you go to my website, this is what's running it. It's high level. And then next is going to be, if you have a product already, maybe it's the same health and wellness company you're in, but you have product packages that are $150 to $350 a month. This is kind of on the higher end, but maybe you have another business where it's a little more expensive. So then we're going to introduce them to this after we're showing them how to market in general, set up systems. So I have this same health and wellness company. They have a supplement line where the packages are like $115. It's not really this expensive, but I just put this here just for in case this is your business model. Then you're going to introduce them to that. So now they have 1, 2, 3 streams of income because these systems pay you monthly as well. And then the ultimate goal is to get them into your course. And this could be something you made, but I have a course already and it's $500. I have a $900 course, but this is the one that I like the most. So it's to get them into this, and this is a one-time payment. And then it's to get them into, like I said, maybe it's your course or your coaching, et cetera, just your products in general. Now that you know how to do digital arbitrage and sell and offer other people's products, now you're going to offer your stuff. We're going to show you how to create. And in high level, you can create all your stuff in here and get paid and link your Stripe account, PayPal through here. That's why I love this. This is going to be the holy grail of everything, high level. So once we get them there, now you're making $500 to $900 commissions. You create a KOT, know, like, and trust factor with your clients. And now they trust you. You set them up. You're showing them how to make money online, and they're going to ultimately buy this. So you go from $11 residual and you scale that up. You scale that up even more. And some of these could be one times too. You scale that up to, now you're probably making a few $100 a month residuals on one client, and then they buy a course. A lot of people start with courses, but why not start with low ticket and get used to marketing and getting really good at marketing, and then work your way up to here. So this is what I'm going to be showing you guys in the next 90 days. I'm going to be showing you how to do videos like I'm doing right now using Loom. I'm going to show you how to really take this to the next level. And many of you are just going to get started for $11 a month. And you're going to get a lot of this coaching, but a lot of you are going to upgrade because you're going to see how this works, and it's going to make you excited. And this doesn't have to take 90 days. I want to launch this within 7 days. And really I want you to launch this if you can afford it within 7 days. Most of these are trials, so you won't even be paying out of pocket for the first 2 weeks. So 7 days, and then we're going to work our way into this, and you're going to have a multiple stream income that you didn't even know, and it only costs you to start it off $11 a month, guys. So hopefully this makes sense, and this is going to be connected to a post that you've seen. And welcome to the community if you decide to get into the community.